Hello everyone, this is Anurag Kumar Singh, roll number 21MT10005. So this is my project number 1 for DIY project. Here I will be showing you the disassembling and assembling of a working wall clock.
So let's begin. Once the clock is completely disassembled, we get the main case which is responsible for the functioning of the wall clock. The white rotor at the center mounts the hour, minute and seconds hand. The red gear is responsible for the functioning of those hands. Now let's have a look at the various components inside the case. As you can see, at the bottom there is an empty space where the battery is mounted. To the right, you can notice an electromagnetic circuit which consists of a coiled solenoid and a set of white small gears which are responsible for the functioning of the hands of the clock. To the left is situated a red gear which is used for manually operating the hands of the clock. When the battery is connected and the circuit is complete, the magnetic energy of the battery is converted to mechanical energy of the rotor with the help of the solenoid, which in turn moves the hands of the clock. Have you ever wondered why a clock temporarily stops when a magnet is brought near it? It is the result of opposed magnetic field from the magnet and the solenoid, rendering it temporarily useless. Now let's get back to reassembling of the wall clock.